side of the canyon. Each building contains two 90-inch jet flow gates. These gates allow us to run water around the turbines if necessary. Above the valve houses, stretching across the canyon, are six 3.5-inch diameter cables. If you follow the cables to the right, you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane that is supported by the cables. This is the original crane from the building of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world with a lift capacity of 150 tons. The crane is used to deliver large equipment from the road to the ramps below. Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless men that perform some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Hoover Canyon project. These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon